My name is Mildred Cureton. I'm a 92-year-old senior who lives here at the Brookdale Senior Assisted Living in the Galleria. The main ailment I have, I think, is this edema, and it's a very lot of swelling in my feet and legs. And they told me that I needed to keep my feet elevated, to not let them sit hanging down. My daughters went to Gallery Furniture on I-45, and they saw this electric recliner, and they thought it would be good for me. So they bought it, and they delivered it, and I have just lived in this recliner. And one day it just quit working. So an appointment was made, and they came out, and he checked it, and it'll take several days. My daughter said, "Oh my goodness, she can't go that long." I said, "Call Mattress Mack." They came on July the 4th, and they came in and they immediately moved the old chair out and moved this new chair in. And I just want the people to know what a great man Mattress Mack is. He is honest, true to his word. He has compassion on the people he cares about. And I will forever be grateful to him for what he has done for me. I am here to tell you that no one else would have come to my rescue on July the 4th, but him.